Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Oculus Rift S. To use Oculus Rift S, you need a constant connection with your computer, and to start setting it up, you'll need to first download an app which will allow you to use Oculus Rift S. This app can be downloaded on oculus.com/setup. Go to this page, then it will get you here and scroll down until you find Oculus Rift S. Now you can go to download META Questing app, and this META Questing app will allow you to use your Oculus. So in the downloads here, open the app, and now you're gonna install it. You can choose the language here if you want, then go to get started. Now you can review terms and conditions, and to go further you need to agree to them. Then you can change the location or just leave it as it is and click on install now. And now it will take a few moments. Now the app is installed, you can click on next and the app will reopen. And now you'll need to log into your Meta account. So let's click on log into a Meta account, or if you have a different account like organization managed account, or you have an Oculus account, click on login. And if you don't have an account in Meta, you can just go into log into a Meta account and you'll be able to sign up. So I'm gonna click on log into a Meta account, and now it asks me if it's me, and I can click on continue, or you can sign up. If you haven't yet, you can also click on not you to choose a different account. I'm gonna just go on. Then you need to click on open Oculus Client Exe, and it has logged me in, but there's a slight chance that you will have this issue: cannot read property access token of undefined. And if it says that, that means that when you are on this screen, you need to click on not you, then choose the account, and you'll be able to log in normally after choosing the account. But it has logged me in just right. So then you'll need to put your headset on and follow the instructions, like setting up the virtual boundary, which is covered in another video on this channel. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.